ka Riboy Synod College ling baka English Department mantaka sing ka Southrick Risau kala pelong ka Literary First ci ka tip kum ka reflection kum shibanta ban prilat ik samla pule ka district bakin yo ban pen I ki sap ka bakidon habai de ka thok katar kum ki poitri ki khana lingkot bat kiwe Hakan ka Literary First la yo ban pelong ka inter college competition ka Jacob bapher bakan thop ka Jacob thok poitri ka Jacob thok khana lingkot essay bat college making haka balawan bani shibanta Santaligi College no Riboy district bakan thop ka Union Christian College Balawan College Northern Riboy College Eastern Riboy College bat ka Riboy Synod College Hakan ka inter college competition bala panya ka English Department jong ka Riboy Synod College ka nam ladu haka Jacob thok poitri la yo ban ra ka Union Christian College bat ka Jacob thok hana lingkot ka nam ladu la yo ra ka Eastern Riboy College bat ka Jacob thok essay ya ka nam ladu la yo ban ra ka Eastern Riboy College bat ka college making ka nam ladu la yo ra ka Northern Riboy College Hakan ka singi la on ban sakhelang da babu don boklang rente thiang di head Department of English Sengkhasi College Shillong bat ka kong balakan Tiurani Additional Deputy Commissioner Riboy District kibla long rukum kinong bishar kan ka inter college la sakhiru da ka jion lang Reverend Precious Timong Vice Principal Riboy Synod College kinong hikai lambat kisamla pule
Ni nakalian ka Riboy Synod College English Department kilo ban belong ya kan ka Literary Fest kalo yo ban ikerteng reflections ka jing tumu jong kan ka Literary Fest kalong ban yo ban kring yaki kena pule jong kan ka Than Riboy District bikin yo ban pini ya kasap ka bikidan ha ka art but literature kilo yo ban belong shibun ki competition kum ka poetry essay writing, short story writing, but kumjuk ka collage making, but nilai mo ka sab ka bakidan, tiling ba ka ni ka Literary Fest, minget scam ba ni nang laban kring, shushu ki kina puli mo, jang ni ka Than, di kinang laban pin shushu ka sab ka bakidan, bagin shushong ang classroom ka jong ki, but banburi ka sab ka bakidan, tiling ba ka ni ka Literary Fest, kan ay lahat mo, bikin yo ban Pau pertegi yo ban PE kasap ka bakidan kidan Santliki College ki bela yo ban participate ki badena Port Riboy District